Anisikia Mr. Mike? Niko loud and clear. Chiki vile if ya value gap react hapa fit kwa 5 minutes like we had hapa kuna opportunity, but sidhani kama ningechukua hii entry kwa sababu ya this low ya Asia haijakuwa swept. Unaonaje hapo? Sijui itakujia Asia low kwanza ama itaendea Asia high, but my instinct inataka ikujie the Asian high first. Actually not the Asian high, it's the intraday high. The high at 105. The high at 105. I'd love to see that swept, then tuendelee side ya chini, then tank it to at least Asian low now.
Yeah. From the mud to the market. From the block to the brokers. Let's go. Yeah. Came from the streets, now we compound profits. Flipped every loss, not a bankroll monstrous. From hustling packs to analyzing charts. NASDAQ tearing every session apart. Yeah, we level up. Never going back, turn pain to percentages. That's a fact from the block we rose, now the candles obey. Crushing NASDAQ every day. Late nights grinding, stomach touching ribs. Dreams bigger than the place we live. Street taught me risk and reward. Now I calculate entries like war. Started with pennies, mindset heavy. Stack small wins, now the growth steady. No more sirens, just alerts on the phone. Trade executed, yeah, we in the zone. Used to flip hustle just to maintain. Now I flip pips, multiply the gain. Street survivor with a trader's brain. Turn discipline into champagne. Came from the streets, now we compound profits. Flipped every loss, now the bankroll monstrous. From hustling packs to analyzing charts. NASDAQ tearing every session apart. Yeah, we level up. Never going back, turn pain to percentages. That's a fact. From the block we rose, now the candles obey. Crushing you every day. Risk management, that survival instinct. Cut losses fast, let the winners link. Compounding heavy to exponential climb. 1% daily, give it time. No shortcuts, we built the slow. From concrete floors to the trading glow. Mindset shift is generational wealth. Invested in knowledge, invested in self. Not a squad eating different. Screens glowing, future vivid. From street hustle to financial freedom. Mastered the market, now we lead them. It was dark nights, cold lows. Now it's green candles, overload. Same hunger, different lane. Same fire, bigger aim. Came from the streets, now we compound profits. Flipped every loss, now the bankroll monstrous. From hustling hard to financial play. NASDAQ bow, we run the day. From the block we rose.
So naangalia hapa, nataka kuona kama itaendelea kushuka ama I think what I miss kuchukua hiyo high ya juu kwanza. So, nataka achukue at least side.
Ebu. Unacheki what do you call it? 127, 128.
Yeah.
I mean,
kwa 1 minute.
Kuna hiyo fair value gap ya 15 kwa 5. Ingia 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yo, 1:30 a.m.
Yeah.
1:30 a.m. Naona kama tunaweza pata reaction to what's the downside for kidogo.
Yeah, 1:30.
Hebu mark out your fair value gap.
Fair value gap yake ya juu side ya juu. I think
yeah, 15 minutes. Yeah.
So internal range liquidity, external range liquidity. Target the lower side. Very possible. We can get an entry, a short entry here once they come back to this area. Tatutengeneze area.
Entry wapi?
Hapa kwa 3 minutes.
Entry wapi? 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes. Then 1 minute.
A chance 1 minute, but now umeunda 3 minutes.
Yeah, nataka kuona kama I can attack this low
1 minute. Let's see, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. 48.26. Hapo hivyo ama
then present we check around 40 around 48.25 to like 48.15. Yeah, from there. Like from there. Come on, a shot. I'd love to see some shots from there.
Okay. Minutes.
Yeah, if I could hit TV in the next 5 minutes.
It's very crucial.
Yeah. So
For sports gene.
I'm looking for 48.14.
48.14.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's my target.
Ah.
48.40.
Hiyo ni
Huh?
roho ya saa 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Hiyo ni roho ya 2 a.m.
Actually 2:30 a.m. 2:30 a.m. low.
Yeah.
But we also have a low ya jana 21 p.m. yesterday. That's Asian. It's not Asian. It was Asian low actually. So we have too much liquidity on the downside. And it's 100 pips. It's 100 pips that we want. We don't want much, like just 100 pips. Actually, these are 2-hour trade. One thing about New York, nimekuja kurealize New York, not New York. It's about London. I came to realize that London in a reduce risk.
London.
Yeah, in a reduce risk. Unakuta you don't have to risk so much in London. Like unakuta hata inaweza kupatia 2 hour without exposing you to so much loss. Okay, in particular like 3 candles to the downside, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like 5 big candles to the downside.
Wakuja sasa.
Yeah, I want them.
Let's see.
Down. For 26 points to go so that we get to our TP. 6 points. 6 points to go. To go 48.21 at the moment. And again, weakness. We have 2 lows here. So I hope tupite hii low ya kwanza so fast that haitafikiria kugeuka at this low.
Hapo hivyo 320.
Yeah, around
48 a.m.
Yeah. 3:20 a.m. 48.17. Around 48.17, that low around 48.17. And that low around 48.14. That's 2:30 a.m. I hope we get like sudden movement to those levels.
Kuna gani?
48.21 at the moment. I hope to go below that bullish candle yenye tumeform saizi. That's the ideal condition. That's the ideal condition that I kuona. We close below that green candle yenye imeform right now. Yeah, we need to like start dropping from there. We don't want to see like at a big candle starting going up. So like give me a rejection from that area. Yeah, like drop and cover that green.
Nice.
Probably. Nataka nione ikireject hiyo fair value gap ya 1 minute hapo. Yeah, that type of a thing, yeah. Okay, 48.19, give me like, it's 6 points, yeah. It's actually, how many pips back? Around 40 pips, 50 pips. Yeah, I want to see this tanking to like 40, yeah, something like that. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going down. Yeah, okay. We've closed below that green candle, so my anticipation is for that green candle to reject price and keep price moving down. I don't want to see price close above this area again. Like, I want to see that point reject price and send it lower to these lows here. And I believe kuna buyers around the area wako wako nini, like wako hopeful. But sometimes gold line itakai kujua, like it can leave those buyers of benefit. Like what?
Yeah.
So we hope your level reject price as we've outlined, and it just did. So we are 48.17. We are around this low here. We are about to liquidate that low. Yeah, 48.16 with there. I think we are going for that lower low there. 48.16 to 20 points to go, like 20 pips. 48.15. One more, like you need to like go and sweep that point there, like with aggressiveness. Yo, I need aggressiveness, bro, from that area. Like I really need it. Yeah, give me.
No, and we can't stop them. No, wakifika, they are almost there.
They're almost there, man. Yeah, okay, give me one push. One push. Cheza hapo, like, yo.
Hello, Puzi.
Let me close my position.
I think watafika this time.
I just closed my position there. I just closed my position. We were checking out, but it's alright. Oh man, the motherfuckers, like, yo, it's alright. Hapo wamecheza sana. Yo, wamesha weak. They just got to that point.
Alright. You trade Safi.
Yeah, it's a good one.
It's a clean trade.
Yeah, for that for then can't shafunga for that nini hiyo but imeenda clean like
95 pips.
it's 95 like
Ah,
it's actually 100 ile hatujangoja ijae. It's actually 100. What?
4am, by the way, it's like 4am kulikuwa na taarifa.
Za nini gani?
What sort of news is that?
Like za nini gani?
Zinasema hii ni nini? Hiyo ni nini?
Like I guess wamesweep lawyer Asia. I guess ni lawyer Asia wamekimbiza hivyo. That was a clean move. Akumbuka kulikuwa na Asia hapo. Unajua siko nimerealize kuna Asia. I was aiming for this to 30 am. Alright, so from there I guess we can hunt for one more. See, for this account I've just closed for this account. Yeah, we can hunt for one more. I think we should keep our targets as strictly two trades, like 2 trades now, and we give the best. They get the best. Tunaipatia the best because the book shares kusema kuchukua like more than 2-3 trades. Yo, hebu check I just sent you a screenshot there. Tuangalie, to zoom out sasa, tuangalie what else they want to do.
Yeah, zoom out. Then your London session. Uone kama unaweza identify AMD. Identify AMD, then tuone kwenye tuko.
AMD.
Tuone kwenye tuko.
I actually think wanaweza irusha one more time up.
Yep.
If it's for AMD, it depends tunaangalia AMD at which time frame, because we have different time frames around here. We have AMD for an hour, of which to accumulate to come manipulate side ya juu, then we tanked it. That's the move that we've took. Hiyo ni AMD ya 1 hour. So for the 4 hour, actually for the 4 hour, we are inside the 4 hour fair value gap. So I guess we took the move towards that fair value gap. That hiyo ndio ilikuwa our move. From that 3 minutes entry to that target low there.
Noted. So from hapo hivyo tunaweza ngoja wa retrace kidogo tushuke nao, ama what do you think?
Let's see. Let's look at the 15 minutes. Let's look at the 30 minutes. It's 4:08, so we have like 1 hour for this session before you go in. I guess the target is gonna remain the same. You see those lows ziko pale kwa fair value gap ya daily. I guess that's the target. That's the target. Let's check for 1 hour. All right. Let's check for 2 hours time frame. And don't forget that we've already liquidated.
Screenshots.
Don't forget we've liquidated the Asian low. So that's a point of interest. We can anticipate some form of bullish price action. See? So it's very
nataka
valuable.
tupande na this
We're just watching price action kitu tupatia like whatever it gives us tunaanguka tu nayo. Cause ukiangalia kwa 1 hour
hapo hivyo
check the 1 hour time frame and check this point of interest here, the point of interest that we've marked green. You see this point of interest here, like it's the Tuesday 21 p.m. Tuesday enda kwa 1 hour Tuesday 21 p.m. candle. Like you see that candle inakaa so powerful, like it may reject price multiple times, like first time, second, third, and now like this second trade, this same trade in to trade, like it's a reaction from that point of interest. That was a good trade. Yeah, let's wait for something else to unveil.
nimeiona. Yeah, hiyo kanda imekuwa pain. Tata tunakaa utakuwa na reaction from hiyo Asian low.
Yeah,
to where?
I suspect a reaction.
The nearest point yenye naona kuna target.
I suspect a reaction there too, like that's a very strong point of interest. So I think we can get hata kama it's not a long one, we can get some form of reaction to the upside.
Check hiyo nini ya 320. 320 am. Hiyo kwa 5 minutes.
320 am. 320 am.
Hiyo ni wamechukua tu side.
That low. Yeah, that's low, yeah. What about that?
Change structure ama ni nini?
Siwezi consider kama kuchini. We can use it as an entry to the lower targets.
Yeah.
But now itakuwa inamaanisha hakuna reaction ya Asian kwenda juu, so I guess inafaa kuwa like waiting for it to tank it lower. What do you think? Inaweza happen like hebu tuangalie 15 minutes if that fits up. 1 hour. Yeah, very 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 possible. Kwanza like but itabidi to this 1 hour candle ifunge kwanza. Itabidi for this 1 hour candle to ifunge, then for it to come back, then react.
Let's see. Let check your screenshot.
Let me check.
No, natuma. Let's see. Niambia kama unaona any indication of anything like that.
Is John a screenshot? Can you send it?
Oh, you're doing imagine.
Yeah?
There you go.
Okay. Okay. Fake. Yeah, that's a possibility. Ebu present this let me present that tab ya hiyo nini.
Ona. Natumia
unatumia
desktop na natumia tablet ku.
Okay.
But,
okay, so I guess there's a possibility for that. But my biggest worry is this liquidity imekuwa grabbed hapa Asia, and that's my biggest worry. Naogopaga sana kuengage na price time yenye liquidity imekuwa taken out. Like that's my greatest fear.
Yeah.
Like inakuwaga my great, see once nimeingia in that type of a scenario, itaenda my side at the end of it, or itaenda my side, but itakuwa imenitosha sana.
Inaweza delay.
Inaweza delay mbaya.
Yeah, but saizi inaweza kusumbua because we just had a good move, by the way.
Hiyo imekuwa like imekuwa so clear, haiko na kelele kama
kusumbua ni yeah, so kusumbua ni likely,
so likely
there is a
but if it happens, naweza taka kuona at least some buys tukuje tuingie hii move yenye imekuwa ikihappen hapa, yenye imehappen hii short. Naweza taka tuikave like half of it before anything else. So if this move yote ni around 22 points, I'd love for us to come at least 11 points back to that range. So up to like 48-23 from that point. I'd love to see 48-23 first before we go down. Like, yeah, let's say this point there. I'd love to see this range here. Naweza taka kuona this form of price action ifike kwa this area here.
present.
Oh, it's not presented. So if we can close above this area here, if we can close above this point of interest yenye nimemark hapa kwenye price iko, if we can close above that, naweza anticipate for some prices kwenda juu. But naweza kwa naweza back with the fact that we've taken out this liquidity at Asia. That's what I'd back it with. Yeah, before we go to this, because we have lower targets around 48. We have lower targets around 47.87. But before we get to 47.87, we might try to revisit 48.37. We might try to catch 48.37 there. So this move, I guess some people will try.
Oh yeah.
These people will try to chase, this sell yenye tumeparticipate in. I guess there's some people who might try to chase this move.
Wajaribu kuipush chini.
Kuna sasa unaweza jaribu kuichase.
Nimeona chini unasema it makes perfect sense.
Now selling at this point combined with the fact it may take Asia, wanaweza itumia kuisukuma juu tena. Lakini kigonyo wa leo mwenye ako pale kwa nini si wazimu bana. Ule mwenye ana control algo si kawa jana. Huyo jamaa alikuwa na algo jana nikaa
si wajana.
We can get another trade here. I think we can get another trade here.
Shenzi kabisa.
If we close above that point, naweza consider buying. I can consider buying for like 10 points from that point.
Yeah. I think basi. Let's see. Dr. Shuke. We need to take out 1:06 a.m.
All right, 1:06 a.m. Yeah, inaweza kuwa very significant. It's a good place to sell. Like it's a very good place to sell compared to the selling around here. Yeah, selling here inaweza enda. It can go, but it can also turn you into a liquidity or also in a chase price.
Yeah. So but chenye naona tunaweza ngoja tuone kama watatupatia confirmation ya kupanda.
Yeah, at least they close.
No, wasikuja kulitest hiyo area one more time.
Yeah, so
Sindio?
Yeah, for that we just wait for their confirmation tuone ni wapi side wataenda, because if they close above this inverted fair value gap at 3 minutes, that's an indication to buy. We have this some form of IFVG. We have an IFVG here, so if they close above that, hapo wanaweza kwa kitupatia an indication ya kubuy if they close above this IFVG here.
I see. Yeah. So anything going down,
for now
we avoid it.
Yeah, for now
it might
be a trap. It might be a trap for now, because I believe kuna trap inatengenezwa hapa. So people are now selling, trying to catch that sell. See, like imekuwa ikisell that panic selling here. So people will panic sell around this zone ikiwa imeshaenda sana, imeshaenda. Then we have breakout traders, some traders who breakout wanadhania we've already broken out, so we are trying to sell it, to keep selling it. So hapa we have two type of people. Kuna wenye breakout traders wenye wamesell, wamekuwa trapped, and then kuna sellers wenye wamesell wakikimbiza market, of which they can be right, you never know. They're just speculators.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah. Zito ni react system yako kikama you just react.
Naweza taka sana to see some reaction from there.
So unaweza taka reaction I want to see
kwa hiyo nini? Kwa hiyo
Asian law.
Yeah.
We can face those ones.
Any sort. Turudisha huku kwa hiyo move yenye tumefanya, turudishe above equilibrium, kuje huko premium matrix kama ni kuuza.
Above that intraday high, that's a very sioni vile tunaweza enda bila ku attack that high.
Yeah.
Sometimes naona it's better than uchukue many trades zenye like as make sense zingine. Kwa kupata na good trade kame align na order flow. Like it trade yangalia, that trade was so clean, like that trade was so clean. I wish mtu anaweza pata trades kama easy like every time. But there's no way that
I think Asia plays a big part.
By that, cause jana Asia ilikuwa
imecheza a big part.
Cause by that leo jana Asia haikuenda sana, si ndio?
Yeah.
So it's if trade may move Asia, it's safe to say mtu anaweza avoid during London.
hebu niambie aje, hebu check hiyo screenshot nimekutumia. Uone ni kama
the last one umekuwa umenitumia about the cell scenario.
ndio hiyo. Imagine na click image na kosa kufinya send, what's wrong with you?
You getting all the yeah, naweza taka kuona that sort of a thing, like to read, unaona hilo yenye tumeacha hapa. I'd love to see us read it, then now reverse. Hiyo ndio inaweza kuwa like the best scenario naweza taka kuona. Kwanza ikiweza align na 1 minute, the best. I'm entering.
Alright.
Slow imekuwa slow, like I don't think someone needs to be in this type of price action size. I guess the sweetness ya gold is this fast move, like
tunafaa avoid
like this type of PA, like 1 minute.
I think tunafaa to avoid until maybe 5 a.m.
This price action now, but remember once
shaanza kuwa bogus.
But once we see this form of PA ikiform, that tells us kuna accumulation inaendelea. These people might be accumulating some buys around here, people, actually. If ikiamani kushoot itupatie like a solid move, like something like tunaweza consider like a solid move. The same way walikuwa na consolidate around hapa juu, they were consolidating the same way around our entry points, and then wakatupatia this structure of figure, like okay, I'm trying to short this thing. So if they can give us some form of liquidity rate, then give us some form of institutional order flow which is bullish, I guess it's something that it can be good. Ama hata waamue like they tank it to the ultimate target, of which ni 40 points below. It's actually 22. It's 220 pips under. If they can, wanaweza amua waiteremshe hivyo na ile scenario yenye ulikuwa umeweka pale ikuwe true, like ilikuwa hivi. Let me illustrate. Where is it? This scenario that you had in mind, that ilikuwa hivi. This is actually a very big possibility here. We might see this type of thing if this market is heavy. If tuko so heavy, we might see this type of thing. But if our market maker leo wako cocky, if these market makers are cocky, wanaweza tupatia one send off kwenda juu, then after that, after we rate this high, now we can get this tank lower. It all depends na venye market maker ana feel kudu leo, unaona. But whatever they do, we are just here ready to react. Is that whatever they do ni kazi yao.
But I think one good trade, good trades.
Yeah, it just take 2 good trades now. Yeah, imagine it's
at
just
least go 1-0.
Yeah, like just one. You do one good scene hapo. You hunt for the next one. You do successful 2 scenes, you close the day. I guess that's the whole point of this thing. If it's about freedom.
Yeah.
If it's about freedom, if you can do it that fast and accurately, iko na good returns, then you uko na like 22 hours zingine za kudo your things.
Yeah.
So
have more than enough time.
So much time.
Kujenga mwili.
Bana.
Kuna excuse.
None at all. So I'm just hoping they give us some form of action around this point. Let's visit the higher time frame. Tuone kama wanaweza tupatia more insight. We have a 15 minutes. Yeah, this form of a scenario in nilikuwa nasema. We have a fair value gap forming here. Let's check the 30 minutes if we can get some more reason to short this thing. Okay, 45 minutes. Yeah, this thing is screaming shorts. In a scream to shorts. 1 hour time frame. I guess the 1 hour time frame is gonna more data and more solid, what do we call them? More solid proof that we can keep going down. Let's mark this point here. They might try come around this point. All right. Let's put the so we took out that low. Let's see how we close below that low. How do we operate around this low after we've taken it? I guess inacheza a very big part. Ita to show kama we are grabbing that liquidity and escaping this scene ama ni aje. Tuende side ya juu. I'd love to see that type of nini. Tukiweza pata like 3 minute candle moja clean big, inaweza kuwa something awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. From the mud to the market. From the block to the brokers. Let's go. Yeah. Came from the streets, now we compound profits. Flipped every loss, not a bankroll monstrous. From hustling packs to analyzing charts. NASDAQ tearing every session apart. Yeah, we level up. Never going back, turn pain to percentages. That's a fact from the block we rose, now the candles obey. Crushing NASDAQ every day. Late nights grinding, stomach touching ribs. Dreams bigger than the place we live. Street code taught me risk and reward. Now I calculate entries like war. Started with pennies, mindset heavy. Stack small wins, now the growth steady. No more sirens, just alerts on the phone. Trade executed, yeah we in the zone. Used to flip hustle just to maintain. Now I flip pips, multiply the game. Street survivor with a trader's brain. Turn discipline into champagne.
Up on the corner where the lights stay low. Dreams in my pocket but the money moves slow. Mama says son keep your head real strong. So I studied the nights while the days went wrong. From the blocks to the books, from pain to plans. Now I read candlesticks like the lines on my hands. Market go up, market come down. But discipline alone made the king wear crown. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Say quick money fade like smoke in the air. So I wait on the setup, proper risk, proper care. London open vibe in New York come true. Every trade tell a story, every loss teach truth. No scam, no bluff, no blood on the hands. Just pips and percentages, stick to the plan. While them chase the hype and flex for the gram. I come point quiet like a righteous man. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Money is a tool, not the soul of a man. Freedom is the goal, that's the ship goal. We control the flow, plant seeds in the market, let the future grow. Now the youths them watch and them marks go so. I tell them learn skill, don't sell your soul. From the streets we came, but we don't stay there. Knowledge turn pressure into millionaire prayer. Still humble with roots, still love the art. But they charge them pay when you play them smart. From survival mode to ownership art. Legacy building, that's the real part. From the streets to the charts, hear my song. Reggae in my blood, market in my palm. Balling from wisdom, not luck or darts. Clean money, clear mind, disciplined heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new.
Kwani movie ya leo ilikuwa hapo kushuka tu. Imetulia sana.
Hatujakaa sana. Wakaanza kubehave hivi.
I guess ni patience. But then they can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 minutes.
Uko 20 hours.
Wamecheza.
Uko 20 hours after hapa.
Za kufanya shughuli nyingine.
Shughuli nyingine. Wajiteza wajakaa sana.
30 minutes. I guess hapo sasa ndio ndaje personality, cause I guess mimi kama napenda like constant action. Like unaona sasa hiyo vile movie imeshuka hivyo, like napenda kuona those type of things. Una scalp tu
Kiasi kupea hivyo, si wanaweza kuwa very generous.
lazima kutafutie trick.
Na wajulikani for being generous.
Nikawa amefungua usikiza sasa.
Lazima they must
exhaust your patience kwanza.
Lazima waste 40-45 minutes zako.
Ukisha exhaust patience na wewe umeisha.
Sasa hizo unajua you are running on patience.
Bana, najua basi. Hapa tukisha exhaust patience yake, it's done for him.
Yeah. Sababu wako na narrative. Market maker anajua huyu jamaa hapo na narrative.
Sawa job basi. Sasa ni expose to patience yake and it's done for him.
Yeah.
I think the fact that tumefunga above hapo, we can get some really good bullish prices. Anticipate kuona price ikienda chini tena hapo.
Yeah. But tunaweza ipea until 450. Until 450. Yeah,
I think we can get this type of long here.
Yes.
Around this point, we can get some longs and target at least 10 points. Entry at around 48.11 up to like
10 points.
Yeah, 48.21. That's
okay.
Yes, something 21. Like that. Something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's.
You can get something.
Yote ndo naweza aim for anything.
Bas. Tukisema hiyo ukisema ni kuishika tu vizuri hapo, like you're set. Yeah, that's good.
Acha wafunge na wa maintain above that zone.
Hata washafunga na I'm looking for them to like start like pushing. Or the test kama wamechomoka. We have a 1 minute fair value gap around that area. I'd love for them to like get out of that point so fast. Yeah, that's something that I'd want to see price do.
They have taken out 4:08 a.m. 4:08 a.m. is gone.
4:08. Let me check 4:08. Yeah, 4:08 is gone. So we have like.
Then 4:37. Kama wamepatia structure shift.
Yeah.
Then compare FBG. I'm not sure.
I think that's the
1 minute gonna
I guess that's the scenario. Pia I'm looking for that. The fact that to read that liquidity, then tumefunga above that 3-minute candle inamaanisha order flow yetu shift. So I'm looking for a shift order flow, of which we've already done that. So if they take this, actually I'm taking this as the second trade. So if they take this, if the ikikata, like I'm not trading I'm not trading again gold before today. But I think that's a very, 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 very solid trade. If it happen below my outline, I'm looking to take them partials there. Actually, the full profits, cause yeah.
Yeah. Kikataa, we come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Kikubali, we come back tomorrow.
That's the script. But I think itaingia. Inaweza tupea zile big candles kwenda juu.
Inaweza fanya the complete opposite yenye imefanya. And boom boom boom.
Anasema, let me share. Let me share. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And it doesn't need to be so challenging. It needs to be so, despite kuwa complex, I think there's a way that you can make it so ikae too simple. And if you can make it ikae too simple, I guess that's the ultimate goal. If I kuwa so hard,
I think your quote tukiapply hapa kwa market lazima tuisome from the back coming towards the start of the quote. It makes more sense.
Kabisa. Sophistication is the ultimate. but unajua I guess before it has to be sophisticated first so that you can turn it in. No, I think first of all you must be confused first before you can think. Because kuna mtu kimwambia achukue 10 points hivi, like they can't, like they don't know where to start, they don't know where to, like hawana hiyo narrative, and the difference is the experience. They say vile uko na experience yako ya market, they don't know. So that code doesn't apply for everyone. It apply for those people in the field.
Yeah.
It can be simple for everyone.
Yeah.
So zile 10 hours, 10,000 hours za Bruce Lee lazima you apply hizo 10,000 kicks and one kick for 10,000 times. Hapo ndo simplicity inaingilia, practicing it over time again and again and again.
4:43 a.m.
4:43 a.m.
Mecheki yo kanda 4:43 a.m.
I see that.
Inakukalia aje?
4:43 a.m. Yeah, it's giving some form of reversal. But kwa 3 minutes, remember kwa 3 minutes that's a level that we were anticipating for price to close above. That's why we have this black line over here. We were anticipating for price to close above that point. So the whole candle from top to bottom, that's our risk area.
Okay.
Let's check it for 3 minutes.
All right.
Grew up on the corner where the lights stay low. Dreams in my pocket, but the money moves slow. Mama says, son, keep your head real strong. So I studied the nights while the days went wrong. From the blocks to the books, from pain to plans. Now I read candlesticks like the lines on my hands. Market go up, market come down, but discipline alone made the king wear crown. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines, no and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah, we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Them say quick money fade like smoke in the air. So I wait on the set up proper wrist, proper care. London open vibe in New York come true. Every trade tell a story, every loss teach truth. No scam, no bluff, no blood on their hands. Just pips and percentages, stick to the plan. While them chase the hype and flex for the gram, I come point quiet like a righteous man. From the streets to the charts, yeah, we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah, we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Money is a tool, not the soul of a man. Freedom is the goal, that's the master plan. We don't worship gold, we control the flow. Plant seeds in the market, let the future grow. Now the youths, them watch and them ask how so. I tell them learn skill, don't sell your soul. From the streets we came, but we don't stay there. Knowledge turn pressure into millionaire prayer. Still humble with roots, still love the art. But the charts, them pay when you play them smart. From sub art, legacy building, that's the real part. From the streets to the charts, hear my song. Reggae in my blood, markets in my palm. Balling from wisdom, not luck or darts. Clean money, clear mind, disciplined heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah, we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. From the streets to the charts, yeah, go. We rise.
Let's see. Hebu check your screenshot nimekutumia. Niambie aje. If that kama hiyo inaweza tuletea shida pahali popote. All right, there we go.
Yeah, it's a possible scenario. It's a very possible scenario. But to rely on the fact that we are still above this 3 minutes change in structure. You see this line yenye tuliweka hapa. That's what hiyo ndio anchor point yetu. Hiyo ndio inatu guide at the moment.
Right. Mazei market msee akiwa peke yake. Okay.
Yeah, I'm saying bye like nataka mnakaa like mkicheck mkipisha check. You have to trade profitable.
You have to. Yeah. Na market iko hapo hivyo ikupresentie hizo vitu.
Sasa hiyo ndio emotion.
But just stick to the gun.
Ina stir up your emotion. Ina stir up your emotions kabisa na kuonyesha like this the way that I think we might go.
Wanakuonyesha unaona wewe unafikiria. That's exactly what we want to do. Na kutoa una profitable trade.
Vibaya sana. Na bado tena unaweza kosa kutoka udhanie ni a profitable trade wa kutoe ungetoka ungekuwa on a loss. Now that's the market. So I guess
But I think yeah. I think chenye msee the only changes you unaweza make according to me
instinct. Market kaenda kutoa mimi naona itakuonyesha.
Yeah. Na tanaweza kupatia those clear indications. Stop loss if kuguza. Unaweza tokea at 9 points.
Yeah,
8.5 points.
Yeah, iko allowed deal. Because at the end of it all hapo itakuwa imekutengenezea kitu.
Yeah. So tunaweza consider 4:33 am. Tunaweza consider kama an important swing.
Kuna tunaitaga head and shoulder, kuna tunaitaga kwa simodo. But I think it's a liquidity raid, swing low, I made a failed swing, then a change in structure, then distribution, if it goes as we want.
Hapa kwenye wako kuna fair value gap ya 3 minutes yenye sijui kama unaikumbuka.
Fair value gap, yeah.
Nataka uone imekuwa inverted.
Exactly. That fair value
nanda
gap.
Tu
Yeah, by that fair value gap, would love to see that fair value gap inverted. That ni protrude kwenda mbele. So that actually that's the fair value gap yenye inafanya price yetu ichezea hapo sana.
Yeah. But tujue if it's lakini inakaa kuwa violated. Yeah, hiyo wakiinvert hiyo ni hivyo.
Wakiinvert hiyo ni na wasipo invert tunaona moto. Hiyo ndio option.
What goes up must come down.
Yeah, one of us anaona moto between the market and us.
Yeah.
Na
hiyo ni an important area kukua above.
But by the looks naona market wakiona moto. By the looks naona market mkando wataona moto hapo. Unless waingie manyo warudishe yule jamaa alikuwa jana.
I think jana. Jana huyu jamaa alikuwa amechoka or something.
Jamaa alikuwa amejaa. Alikuwa anacheza na hiyo algorithm mbaya sana.
No, wameelekea kuinvert sasa.
So wafungue kando
They go.
Wafungue kando bigi sasa wasicheze hapo.
Hiyo from wanacheza sana from what time? Let's see.
From 4.
Toka 4:07.
But it's a new hour. It's a new hour.
No, yeah.
the corner where the lights stay low. Dreams in my pocket but the money moves slow. Mama says, son, keep your head real strong. So I studied the nights while the days went wrong. From the blocks to the books, from pain to plans. Now I read candlesticks like the lines on my hands. Market go up, market come down, but discipline alone made the king wear crown. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start now we
tumeshafunga above that fair value gap.
Good.
So I hope we get that. How many points shoot up sasa? Like tumepata 4. We need tupata 5. We need 5 more. We need 5 more points. That's around 50 pips. We are in 50 pips. Yeah, we are up 50 pips. It's bado 50 pips, then we get to our TP.
up on the corner where the lights stay low. my pocket, but the money moves slow. Mama says, son, keep your head real strong. So I studied the nights while the days went wrong. From the blocks to the books, from pain to plans. Now I read candlesticks like the lines on my hands. Market go up, market come down, but discipline alone made the king wear crown. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Say quick money fade like smoke in the air. So I wait on the setup, proper risk, proper care. London open vibe in New York come true. Every trade tell a story, every loss teach truth. No scam, no bluff, no blood on their hands. Just pick some percentage, stick to the plan. While them chase the hype and flex for the gram. I come point quiet like a righteous man. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we call from the markets, not the dark. Money is a tool, not the soul of a man. Freedom is the goal, that's the master plan. We don't worship gold, we control the flow. Plant seeds in the market, let the future grow. Now the youths, them watch and them ask go so. I tell them learn skill, don't sell your soul. From the streets we came, but we don't stay there. Knowledge turn pressure into millionaire prayer. Still humble with roots, still love the art. But the charts them pay when you play them smart. From survival mode to ownership art. Legacy building, that's the real part. From the streets to the charts, hear my song. Reggae in my blood, markets in my palm. Falling from wisdom, not luck or darts. Clean money, clear mind, disciplined heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Yeah, yeah. From the streets to the charts.
How far?
Sibakisha inachezea tu around how many points hapa? 20 pips, Sibakisha 20 pips, narudi 30 pips. So I'm just waiting for them to like give me a spike of 50 pips from where it is right now. But I'll hold because I want to see the premium side of this candle. I mean this leg here. fib retracement from there to like around this point here. That's 50%. We are not even at 50%. We go around below actually to go discount still, so we can get a spike to around 0.62 area here. Coffee. I hope that's what the algo will do. All right.
Grew up on the corner where the lights stay low. Dreams in my pocket, but the money moves slow. Mama says, son, keep your head real strong. So I studied the nights while the days went wrong. From the blocks to the books, from pain to plans. Now I read candlesticks like the lines on my hands. Market go up, market come down, but discipline alone make the king wear crown. From the streets to the charts, yeah, we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah, we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new late, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Them say quick money fade like
Niangalia Tesla kwanza. It's been a minute. Hata US dollar. It's been a minute. I'm talking USD DXY. What's DXY doing? My anticipation for dollar. Alright, this to dollar. Let's start with a monthly. So overall dollar is still in a range, like it's still ranging on the monthly time frame. Since when? Since June 25th last year up to now, we are still in a range. Like dollar is not getting past these two levels here, past 100 when 300 levels there, they're about 296 ish there. Let me check US oil in comparison to the dollar. What's it saying? All right. Okay, one day. No, I think yeah, I think Nangalia oil, I think it might go to like $70 a barrel. If I'm not wrong.
Hapa hivi. That's
what if tukiweza pata dola nini iliteremke kabisa cause inakaa it looks like it wants to go down like yo.
Hapo hivi.
Go back to XAU USD. Reclaiming that fair value gap on the 1 minute, or is it the 3 minute? This is an entry for inverted fair value gap actually. So unaweza ingilia hapo, mtu anataka kuingia, then a sell to the low, then target it. Actually I guess this move can go for the intraday high, like 103 high, 103 AM high. I think this is the start of that move. Like it can go up to this area. We're looking at a very huge, like a 5-hour trade.
Ukifika 48.22 nafaa kukuwa tushakuwa paid
bana, nafaa kuwa nasema booked, man, should be booked. So no, inakaa kwa that move, that inakaa kwa the start of that move, although wenye wako na moyo watasukuma huko juu, like, but unajua
what
mimi naonaga like, unajua 100 points hazikuagi kidogo, by the 100 pips hazikuagi kidogo. Si kiasi, cause
no
it's just that kwa goals zinakuaga so fast. Hapo tunaona like SL during London on akio tiny. It's some tiny SLs. 4 points, 40 pips. As this thing should start like spooling upwards like with force now. Like, why is it like going slowly? I want some speed, bro. Taka speed, man.
Yo, 509.
5?
509 wa check.
5 a.m.
509 a.m.
Okay, yeah.
509.
Yeah, I see it.
Nataka of course above that.
1 minute.
Your area.
509. Yeah, that's hiyo ni critical high.
Yeah, 509.
Tukifunga above hapo tunajua like TP iko karibu closer. If we close above that area 48.17.
Ndio yeah.
That's 48.18.03.
Yeah.
If we close above that area, that you could get to 48.22 itakuwa easier. But kuna slow PA sijui mbona saizi kumekuwa na slow PA. I don't love it when you price inaenda. Unaona ukicompare this move na ile yenye tulikuwa tumeingia the first trade ya London, like you can see the difference. I don't can feel it. It's slow. These people. It's so slow, man. Like, it's so slow.
Grew up on the corner where the light.
Once again, we've reclaimed that inverted fair value gaps. Juu anatakaje na hiyo FVG.
There you go. Another chezea because ukiangalia between 4 a.m. between 4 a.m. na 5 wamechezea chini the whole hour.
Oh yeah. Alafu tuka cruise above, sasa tuko side ya juu.
So they might do the same thing then wapate. Yeah. So tunaweza ona kama watafanya the complete opposite tunayofanya.
Yeah, ukiweza tupatia like
meaning anything below your
invalid.
Anything below 5:01 a.m. 5:02 tunafaa tuko invalid kabisa.
Exactly. Yeah. So from there tunafaa kuwa tunaona
unaonaje?
Hata mimi naona from there tunafaa kuwa tunapata tu like bullish prices kwenda juu. Like at least 4, 5, 6 bars za 6 minutes. I'd love to see that. Nataka see strong ones. At least 6 with a mix of maybe kidogo is nini, because sijui mbona it's so slow like right now. And we've taken so kuna tunapenda
taka uone. Yeah, unaweza taka na sasa kuna a move away from that area at least. With a close above 48.18. Close above 48.18, boom.
By that, once we get that close above 48.18, that's it. But before we get that, inakata sumbuka sana.
Tuliza tu mawazo.
Inakata sumbuka sana.
Tuliza tu mawazo.
Studio bana.
up on the corner where the lights stay low. Dreams in my pocket but the money moves slow. Mama says, son, keep your head real strong. So I studied the nights while the days went wrong. From the blocks to the books, from pain to plans. Now I read candlesticks like the lines on my hands. Market go up, market come down, but discipline alone make the king wear crown. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and heart. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new late, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Say quick money fade like smoke in the air. So I wait for the setup, proper risk, proper care. London open vibe in New York come true. Every trade tell a story, every loss teach truth. No scam, no bluff, no blood on their hands. Just pips and percentages, stick to the plan. While them chase the hype and flex for the gram, I come point quiet like a righteous man. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to empathy. Same hustle.